Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I would like to share latest job openings in Chennai location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there are job openings available for delivery drivers or delivery executives or delivery boys. So it is for fresher candidates from Zomato Private Limited located in Chennai. So it will be the job summary. Please check with this. And coming to, there are two types of jobs available, like full-time and part-time jobs. So for full-time job, they are going to offer 30,000 rupees per month, and coming to part-time job, they are going to offer 10,000 rupees per month. So you can earn up to 10,000, and for full-time job also can earn up to 30,000 rupees per month. So coming to benefits, these benefits you are going to get, like weekly payments, flexible work timings, morning or afternoon or evening or late night, and referral bonus, joining bonus, insurance coverage up to like 10 lakhs in case of accidental, and 1 lakh to health insurance, and also attractive incentives you are going to get. So these are the requirements, and these are the details about these job positions. So for more detailed information in order to apply for these positions, you can check in the description. So we have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there are openings available for delivery drivers or delivery executives or delivery boys. So it is also for fresher candidates from Zomato Private Limited. Next, coming to responsibilities and duties, you need to pick and deliver food on time with best service quality. So here the note is there. Before applying, please ensure that you have the following documents, like proof of address, bike or scooty. This is not a document. Yeah. DL, driving license or RC, and PAN card, bank document like cancelled check or bank passbook, and Android phone version 4.4 or above. So these are the requirements you need to carry. So these are the documents you need to be having to apply for this position. And so coming to requirements, fresher candidates with any degree, fresh graduates, and 12th pass or 10th pass. So these candidates are eligible for these positions, and the candidates with the prior experience in food delivery, delivery operations, delivery boy, delivery driver, and delivery executive, and delivery partner, delivery rider, delivery person, courier guy roles are also welcome. So and any working professional who wants to earn good money with a part-time job, and the candidates looking for freshers job vacancy, driver vacancy, full-time and part-time job. So for these candidates it is available, and job types will be full-time, part-time, contract, freshers job vacancy, urgent hiring. So it will be either a full-time or a part-time job. So you please go through with the information provided here, and for in order to apply for this position, we have provided the link in the description. So you please go through with the link. So it is available in the description for your reference. Next one, there are openings available for IT and facilities executive position. So it is from Miersk, located in Chennai. So coming to desired skills, bachelor's or master's degree candidates are eligible to apply for these positions, and with 0 to 2 years of experience is required, and also hands-on experience in facilities and IT management, highly motivated individual, dedicated team player, ability to have an overview of IT infrastructure, and strong verbal and written communication skills in English and Tamil, and excellent organization, project prioritization, and time management skills are required, and flexible to work in rotation based shift, and also including night shifts. So these are the desired skills, and you can also go through with the key responsibilities, like You should be you should be knowing the knowledge of networking equipment such as LAN or WAN, routers, switches, and hubs, etc. And you please go through with the key responsibilities provided here, and interested candidates for applying these positions. So you can check in the link. So it is available in the description. I have provided for your reference. So you please go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for junior system administrator position. It is also from MESC, so located in Chennai location. So coming to desired skills like requirements, qualification will be bachelor's degree or master's degree with 0 to 2 years of experience is required, and hands-on experience in facilities and IT management, highly motivated individual and dedicated team player, ability to have an overview of IT infrastructure, and strong verbal and written communication skills in English and Tamil, and excellent organization, project prioritization and time management skills are used, and flexible to work in rotational based shift including night shifts. So these are the requirements, and coming to key responsibilities, OS installation, Office 365, MS Outlook troubleshooting, printers and scanners, and first level of troubleshooting of hardware, software and applications, repair, maintain or monitor all equipment and amenities, and evaluate, repair and maintain plumbing, electrical and HVAC systems in the building, and maintain corporate safety procedures at all times, and comply with access control regulations, and evacuate building in the event of an emergency. So these are the key responsibilities. So anyone or interested to apply for this junior system administrator position, you can have a look on the description for the link. So you please go through with the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for KZ, PRT, SGT, TZT and PGT teachers. So these positions are available from Velamal Newgen Edu Network. So it is located in Chennai, and they are going to offer a salary will be 20,000 rupees per month for these positions. Coming to requirements, trained postgraduate in subject, preferably graduate from the same subject, and CBSE experience with the minimum 2 years is required, and also minimum experience of 1 year in sending to board exams, and subject average should not be less than 80% in subject experience in board exam, and size of class should not be less than 30 students, and proficiency in spoken language and reasonably good, and also minimum 2 years in an organization is required, and sound subject knowledge is required to apply for these positions. And for more detailed information, you please go through with the link. So it is available in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there are openings available for teacher of English. It is from Vellamal Newgen EduTech Network. So it is located in Chennai. So they are going to offer a salary range will be 12,000 to 34,000 rupees per month. So coming to qualification and skill set details, qualification will be UG and PG with BEd or MEd in English is required, and with good communication skills, and also above 2 years of experience is required in CBSE board subjects. So these are the qualification details, and also please go through with the responsibilities provided here, and to apply for this teacher position, you please go through with the link. It is available in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for process expert position. It is from MEDSC, so located in Chennai, and here are the some of the duties or responsibilities. Please go through with the information provided here, and in order to apply for this process expert position, please go through with the link. It is available in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for senior customer experience agent position. It is also from MEDSC organization, so it is located in Chennai, and these are the key responsibilities. You please check with all the responsibilities provided here, and to apply for this position, please go through with the link. It is available in the description in the video. Next one, there is a job opening for analyst position. So, and it is also from the same company, previous company mentioned. And these are the key responsibilities like perform proposal preparation, perform parent execution as per APC validation, and urgent payment execution on bank side as per business requirement, and on-time payment to vendors, and refund and rejection monitoring and execution. Follow up with bank for overseas payment, resolution of payment proof and queries through regular follow-ups, and reversal and manual payment tracker maintenance. And these are the key responsibilities. So please check with all the responsibilities. So interested candidates to apply for this analyst position, you can check in the description for the link. So please go through with the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for Spanish language specialist. So it is also from Nets company. So it is located in Chennai. So to apply for this position, you should be having 3 to 10 years of experience in international non-voice process and excellent command of spoken and written English, and must have experience in international email and chat support process, and graduate in any discipline with experience from customer service background in Spanish, email communication experience, preferably from ITES industry, and understanding the voice of the customer and just striving to meet customer expectations. So you please check with the rest of the responsibilities provided. And for more detailed information, like if you want to apply for this position, you please go through with the website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.